さくてもいつか大きく響かせるため転んで傷つきまた起き上がれば新しい景色が広がるからスーパーマンになる方法なんて知らないだけどイメージだけはずっと完璧さレディゴー走り続けてレディゴーこのまま行けばきっとたどり着けそうじゃ夢のかけら掴み損ねたってがむしゃらにかき合ってって雨の朝も風も夜も越えてゆくのさ
Konnichiwa guys, video game Brawlers here, PSA here today and got a package delivery on eBay in Blackburn, Australia from Bakugan New Vestroia Japanese expansion pack. What? Let's open up this. Let's open up side of package delivery on eBay. It's Blackburn. Ooh, it's Haos Shadow Vulcan. Alright. Bubble wrap all done. Alright. There it is. Here's our Shadow Vulcan. There's a gold line. Yeah, white line. Silver. And blue spots here. And there's an MG here for a Japanese version. Cool. That's amazing. Amazing. Alright. Haos Shadow Vulcan Japanese version is ready to roll. Ready? Whoa! So here's our head, 2 arms, 2 legs, blue lines, gold lines, white lines, 2 red eyes, arms, legs, MG here, and there's 460 Gs. That's a Gus's one for evolution for Vulcan. Right. Let's take a look for Japanese and English version. Let's take a look. Alright. This is the same color, different color size. Haos Shadow Vulcan. The same sizes, different 3 powers. And there's no MG for English version. And there's MG here for Japanese version. Different colors here. There's a very amazing. Let's have a look for it. Vulcan's Evolution. Alright, let's take a look for it. Evolution of Bakugan New Vestroia. Vulcan Evolution. Evolution Japanese versions. Great. Let's take a look. Okay. So here's it's a Vulcan. It's a Shadow Vulcan and Primo Vulcan is evolutions. Exactly different sizes. The back here, see here. There's a see here. There's the same. There's different evolutions of Vulcan. Those are awesome. Those are amazing. So cool. That's cool, amazing. So this is a Haos Shadow Vulcan Japanese version from Bakugan New Vestroia on eBay. eBay's fantastic. This is the Bakugan New Vestroia Godzilla Invaders expansion pack. It's fantastic. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Click it to watch the Bakugan, to watch the video game Brawlers unboxing and Bakugan 2. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click it to the bell, click it to the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok here. Okay guys, thanks for watching, alright? See you next time everybody, bye! And Bakugan Shadow!